The mole concept. We want to talk briefly about the background of the mole concept in chemistry. It is usually not enough to know the reactants and products and to write balanced chemical equations. We also need to know the quantities of reacting substances and the amounts of products formed. Why? This knowledge is important because it helps us to avoid wastage. That is, we use just the right amount of each substance so that they react completely with each other without any leftover. For example, in the neutralization reaction between dilute sodium hydroxide and dilute hydrochloric acid, we need to know how much sodium hydroxide is available and therefore determine the amount of hydrochloric acid required to completely neutralize it. No more, no less. And if we want to produce a certain amount of sodium chloride, then we can work backwards to determine the amount of sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid that is required. The amount of reacting substance is often expressed in terms of moles. A mole is a basic unit of quantity of matter, just like the kilogram. We will define the mole concept more precisely in a moment, but meanwhile, we hope you can now see why we need to consider quantities of substances in chemistry.